It was funny. I actually had to call the police on what I thought somebody was getting attacked. Didn't realize that our cameras were so bad that it was actually weeds that were blowing and looked like people. And so we knew we had a problem. And then when Secom came out and showed me those cameras, I mean, they're fabulous. We can see everything. CyberCore is actually a secure supply chain management and professional services company. We do a lot of different things, but we mostly make sure that we are vetting our vendors and vetting our people, and to make sure that our clients are well taken care of. That's what it's really important, that we have a good security system. I feel rest assured and can sleep at night knowing that I have Secom on my side, because you know, my doors are locked, my alarms are set, and I'm the one that needs to feel the most secure because it's my job, right? So if we're not secure, and that's what I'm hired to do, then we got a problem. And I feel secure with Secom. The cameras help us to make sure everybody's okay and everybody's safety. Life safety is the most important thing. I can actually arm the building after they walk out, or if they forgot their badge and they're at the building, I can get on the cameras, verify who it is, and actually let them in and disarm the building. It just is a really awesome company. I can email Mike, I can email Travis, or any of them. They are at our beck and call. It really helps because I have a small department in security. There's only 3 of us. And so when something goes wrong, I don't ever have to worry about them not showing up. They are there at a moment's notice. They cater to our needs.